Hello, welcome to our channel. Who are watching first time my videos, please careful to watch every video. You can understand in clear clarity for each and every step-by-step tutorial. This regarding video for how we can create Instagram account, how we can post the content on Instagram account. So first of all, I'm select one of the website name is called bookmyuniversity.co.in. In this particular website, I can create for Instagram account. Before creating Instagram account, first of all, you create your Facebook account will be mandatory. Sometimes I'm sign up the account will be we are lot of facing issue for create account for Instagram. So that is called login with the Facebook. Click for Facebook option. Without Facebook is different. With Facebook will be different. So we can add here. So what are the name we can add it in this? And I'm adding for you must priority is the very much important. Okay. So suppose you will be create and can upload the proper images and everything. Major impact for every user create your Instagram account. Once done your Instagram account, select your any particular options. Here, mainly thing is called what are the design you done by here. So the design we have to post by your Instagram account. Here it is called, first of all, you can, what are the logo you have, everything you will be finish it. Here is the first option. Change photo. What are the image we have to create here? That image you will be created this option and this is the done. Next one, create a post on your Instagram account. Now click it, study MBBS in abroad, more info, you can contact 0 you can finish by the call or WhatsApp. Next, on your website link, which is the your domain name. Here it is called study MBBS abroad, study MBBS Russia, study MBBS. Only this keyword. Here it is called same word. Click for share this option. Any account you create and properly post one in particular image is the mandatory field. So once it is finished everything on your account, immediately we have to verify your particular profile option. Edit profile. What are the information we require? You can add will be here. So already what are the posts you done by in this same post? For bio. After this, we require personal details. What are the requirement we have? Everything we can fulfill by here is the option. So here is the profile. Any information we need can add it by your particular option. So it is already here. So we will done. Within a fraction of seconds, account was created. Here is the option will be here. So if any further question about Instagram, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.